Hello and welcome back. This is 1976 Galant hardtop coupe. This is the 50th episode of the project I've been working on here. It's been over 2 years since I started on this car, and in this video it's finally going to be finished. The last thing that needs to get done is in that box back there. There's a new windscreen and there's a rubber on top of it too. So once that gets fitted up and a few other finishing touches, this car is ready for road testing, registration, and to get on down the road and be a car again.
Have you ever done this before? No. That's obvious. It's Darren's. A bit of spit and polish. That's mine. With the dodgy old Y wheel. Better than a slap in the face with a wet fish. He doesn't want me to give these a clean, but look how clean that is, look how dirty that is. So I'm going to give these a clean with that.
There's no way you would have been able to do that. Me, what are you doing with that piece of wood? Not bad in fairness.
Just like a bought one. Alright, rope, flip her over.
And there it is. Not sure where we got to amongst all the shenanigans, but windscreen's in, wipers are on, all the chrome trim's on now, everything's complete on the front, fitted up a fancy pants steering wheel, thanks Dave for that, looks absolutely awesome. I think I've shown all this before, but all the interior is in. Horn's not working yet, need to fix that, but all the lights are working. Cleaned the boot out, there was a whole bunch of rubbish in here. Fitted the spare, I just made this thing up. Welded a couple of bolts together and just welded this little tab on the top so you can do it up by hand without needing tools if you're broken down the side of the road, but that's going to retain the spare wheel in there. I bought a sheet of carpet from Bunnings. It's this nice rubber backed one, which I thought would be good, and I've cut it to size here. finishes that off nicely. I think I'm going to make a few pieces up for the side here, just so that anything that's in the boot isn't going to go smacking into the quarter panels when you go around corners. Rear's all done, so it's basically done. I should also mention I rejetted the carb. I think it had 140 main jets in the primary and the secondary. I ended up putting 155s in the secondary, and I think I put 145s in the primary. But that seems to be the sweet spot so far. It hasn't been out for a proper run yet. It's only done driveway driving, so at some stage shortly it's going to hit out into the big bad world. It seems to run good, like I said. It certainly looks good. It's been just over 2 years. For those who've been following along, thank you very much for watching. I do appreciate it. I've really come to appreciate these little cars. They're a terrific looking thing. I absolutely love this bit just here. I think that's phenomenal design. But yeah, so this will be the last video on this car for quite a while. Oh, there is going to be one more. I'm going to make a single video where it's the whole build sort of start to finish. I'll stick it all together. But this will be the last sort of update video on this car for a while, until probably I go and upgrade the motor with the turbo package. But I'm looking forward to moving on to other things. I'm going to stick at the end of this, I'm going to stick a whole bunch of drone shots of the car. If you want to stick around and watch them. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching. I'll be back shortly working on something different. Cheers.